box and off he'll gladly go. Ding dong! Oh, friendly delivery hero, hooray! Hooray! Bring so much magic and brighten our day. Our day! Boxes of gifts and tasty food, so sweet, so sweet. You bring the surprises right to our street. Our street! Always right on time and never late. Never late! Thank you, our favorite one. Thank you! In the summer sun or the winter breeze, he works so hard just to help and to please. He waves hello and he asks how we are. Hello! Our delivery friend is a shining star. A star! Thank you for all of the smiles that you make. Thank you for every gift and journey you take. Hooray! We're always happy to see you up here. We are our delivery friend. We're glad you're here.